Hi, I'm Kalli Verbecky. I'm the Director of Digital Content here at Xyngular, and I'm here to talk to you about your resources. I'm super stoked to show you some of the things that we've been working on for you to help you build your business. So let's get started by talking about the product Flipbook. Okay, so we know that the Flipbook is a really important tool that you guys use to build your business, and we've included and updated everything to reflect some of the changes that we've made. You're going to find the X Bundle, the X Plus, the X Advanced, along with the 8-day and some of the other products that we use most commonly on subscription and upsell. Let's move through and talk about the drop card. Okay, so every customer that purchases an X Bundle, an X Plus, or an X Advanced, the first thing that they're going to see when they open up their box is this beautiful drop card. On this drop card, you're going to find all of your products and the benefits associated with them. You're also going to find your day-at-a-glance product timeline, along with a QR code linking you to your resource page. That QR code is going to take you to the URL listed right below it, so don't be confused if a QR code seems sort of overwhelming and scary. We've been using this on the 8-day already with a lot of success, so we're really excited to kind of streamline the experience here and get your customers the information that they need in a way that's really easy for them, because we know everybody lives their lives on their phones, right? Okay, so let's talk about the resource page. Once you scan that little QR code, it's going to take you to this resource page. The resource page is going to have all of this awesome information to help your customers be successful through the 30 days of their kit or bundle. So on that, you're going to find information about the 8-day jumpstart and guidelines through your first 8 days, along with the post-jumpstart nutrition guide that Chanel covered in her presentation. Inside that nutrition guide, you're going to find your recommended foods list, your day at a glance, along with structure and support to help you be successful. You're also going to find product timelines for both Jumpstart and post-Jumpstart, along with links to recipes and education found on our Xyngular blog. Guys, if you don't know about our Xyngular blog, you're sleeping on it, because it's such a fantastic resource for both you and your customers to find. We've got product education, we've got recipes, we've got tips, we've got all sorts of things on there. It's just a wealth of content for you. You should be using it if you're not already. You're also going to find a link to our Facebook group. I'm going to touch on that more in a little bit. But like I said, all of this is optimized for a mobile experience. We know that you build your business on your phone. We also know that your customers live their lives on their phones. We built all of these resources to speak to that. All right, when a new customer purchases an X Bundle, X Plus, or X Advanced, they're going to get enrolled in a supportive email flow. This is something new that we've added in for this. We want your customers to feel fully supported as they progress through the 30 days of their kit or bundle. Inside of these email flows, you're going to find links to your resources. You're going to find links to the Facebook group, blogs like we just talked about. You're also going to get motivation, education on subscriptions and products, and even suggestions like, have you checked out our collagen? Because it's kind of awesome, right? So let's talk a little bit about the X Bundle Facebook group. The X Bundle Facebook group has been in play for a while now. It's an established resource and community of support. We want people to be in this Facebook group so that if they have any questions or concerns, they can have that answered quickly in a way. We've also built out guides that are super informative and educational to get people through their first 30 days and have a really good experience with Xyngular. That's what we're going for. We want people to love our products, but more than all, we want them to be a part of our community, because that's what makes Xyngular so awesome. Our resources have been streamlined to help you guys build your business in a way that works for you, the same way that our nutrition guide and our program has been streamlined to work in a way that fits best for you. We encourage you to get to know these links. We're going to share them as soon as this event is over, help your teams get to know these links, update all of your resources inside your groups, inside your boards, to make sure that your teams are fully on board and ready to rock and roll.